USB to Lightning cable. Coiled cable stretches up to 20 inches, 50 centimeters, and contracts to 12.5 inches, 32 centimeters, preventing it from being tangled. Strong but soft flexible TPE jacket, makes it easy to coil and put away in vehicle console or glove compartment. Rugged design. High-quality USB A 2.0 cable reinforced with aramid fiber for increased tensile strength. Tested to withstand 10,000 plus insertions, 5,000 plus bend cycles at 180 degrees. Durable TPE jacket and strain relief. TPE is non-toxic, halogen-free. Apple MFI certified. USB-A to Lightning adapter cable for guaranteed fast reliable charge. Sync from USB-A charger port for Lightning devices including iPhone 13 12 Pro, Max, Mini, iPhone the 11th of August 11 Pro, iPhone XR, iPad Air, iPad Mini. Charge Lightning devices. Coiled heavy-duty cord charges devices with a Lightning port, includes AirPods, Magic Keyboard, Magic Trackpad, Magic Mouse Siri Remote, ideal for use in charging stations. Cable specs. Length, 20 in. 50 centimeters, color, black, cable type, coiled, connectors, Lightning USB-A, performance, USB 2.0 480 megabits per second, reinforcement, aramid fiber, jacket type, TPE, shield, Mylar, heavy-duty iPhone charging cable. Top reviews from the United States. Lasts forever. I've had this cord in my truck for 5 years or more and it's just starting to wear out. Outlived all other cables by 10x at least. Back for a few more.